Hello, dear friends. Thank you for visiting. Today we're gonna do some interactive cards with the lawn Fawn die cuts for the reveal wheel. So basically, it's a turning, spinning wheel that reveals messages through a window. It's really cute, really nice, and very easy to do. So the basic set comes with a window for the sentiment. This is a curvy window, and also it comes with the base, which has a slot on the side. Let me put it on top of the card so you can have an idea. So the slot in there is to turn the wheel. That's what it will cut. And also it has a big circle. Let's call that the wheel. That's the wheel itself is scalloped. And it has an arrow, and also a smaller circle. So this is really fun, cute, simple and easy to make. So you just can show different sentiments for your friends, for a thank you, or for any notes that you would like to send. So let's begin. So first we're going to have one piece of that wheel. On the outside is scalloped and in the inside has a scoring line. The scoring line is important. I will show you now how. It's really hard to see it like that, so I made a different one and I did my perfect circle all around it, and I will show you how it works. Then I have one piece of the smaller circle, one piece of the arrow, it's a little cute little thing, and also instead of using the window that it comes with, I'm going to use an add-on. That's what they call them, an add-on. This is bubble chat. So remember, the basic comes with that curvy one, but I got a different one. It's kind of square and it has like a bubble chat there. And it makes these cute frames too. I made two because I didn't know which side I wanted the bubble to be in. So I will show you how it goes. And now we have this template. So the templates are for the big wheel where you can stamp or write your sentiments. Okay, and it's all measured. We don't need to worry about it. So let's begin. So now we have the base. That's the rectangle. We make two of them. On my other card, I only made one and it didn't look very good. So we're gonna do two. Okay, so one of the cuts will be with the window. Let me turn it so you can have a better idea. So it's easy, you just put it on like a puzzle. It's all measured and placed for us. So it's a little square, and when you put it on your cutter, you see you're gonna have the window. As I said, it's already measured, so you don't have to worry about it. And now our second piece is going to be just plain no window. That's going to be in the bottom and it's not going to show. So we don't need that. Let's put it aside now. Okay, so now we have our two pieces. One with a window and one with no window. Okay, so we put that aside and let's see. So now I used the marker and wrote on the scoring line. I want you to see this. So what happens is we don't want the scoring line to show through the window, and we don't want the scoring line to show through the side. See? No, we don't want that. That is not going to give us a center wheel. So what we want is something like won't show any scoring anywhere. Okay, so there are two ways of doing the sentiments. One of the way is by using a template. It has different shapes. The templates have different shapes also. They come in set of 4. And this one, I put a brad, so it will hold it for me while I do the stamping. Okay, so now I grab a stamp Also, one Fawn comes with these beautiful and cute sentiments. Let me show you that are already shaped and sized to fit in this reveal wheel system. So if it comes with a curvy one, I have for the curvy one. I got the add-on, which is a square one. I got a square one. They are all measured for us, so we don't need to worry about it. They are so cute and come with different sentiments, phrases for holidays, birthdays, and stuff. So let's go ahead and stamp using the template. So this particular one has messages in 4 languages, but not all of them. But like thank you and hello are in 4 different languages. So I like that. But if we don't have a template, it's easy. We just let me show you how. So if we don't have a template, what we're going to do, we're going to align again our scoring lines that don't show, being sure that they are not going to show. Okay, once we have it all aligned and ready, so remember, we don't want them to show. So we're going to grab a pencil and very softly, we're going to mark, like I'm doing right here, around the window. So maybe it's not easy to see at this point, but now that you have it marked, you can go ahead and stamp. And if you don't have the sentiment stamps, it's okay. You can use your beautiful handwriting, or you can actually kind of measure it and print it in your printer and glue it on top of it. So there are many options that you can do. So as you can see, I did it this time with that without using that. I'm making sure that everything is aligned. And once it's all perfect, I'm just gonna go and erase the line that I made with a pencil. And it will look clean. Okay, so remember, um, we can use either way. But since I have the template, I'm gonna use the template. And I'm gonna use the wheel that I pre-cut before that has the scoring line that doesn't show very well in the video. So again, I don't need to measure it. It's all measured for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp. So this is Spanish one that says muchas gracias. Now we're gonna go for the one in German. Dankeschön. Oh, thank you. And now let's do the 4 different languages in this one. So it has also the Chinese version of thank you. And let's go and stamp it. 谢谢. Sorry if my my languages are not very good. And also now we go for the English one. Many thanks. Okay. So now that we're done stamping our sentiments, and remember, you don't need to have that stamp set. You can do it on hand or print it and glue it again later. So now we're gonna put our small wheel in the bottom. So now let's clean up this a little bit so we don't get so messy here. Okay, so we all will do this. Put the little wheel in the back and put our brad through and go and do the whole thing. But no, in this case, we're gonna start with the brad from the back. And why is this? So when you put your foam dots or your foam squares in that particular side in the little wheel, the legs of the brad won't be in the way. Okay? So don't worry about the legs showing up there. They're not gonna show through the window. As I said, everything's all measured for us. Let's give it a little spin, and it's spinning. Yay! Okay, so now we're gonna put foam dots. So the first card I made, I used only 1 layer of foam dots or foam tape. and I didn't like the result of it. As you can see, it's very thin and it doesn't give me enough space to turn the wheel properly. Okay, so what I do, you know, I just cut also one piece and instead of two pieces of the base part. Anyway, so let's double our tape or foam dots if you have smaller foam dots, just use 4 of them in the back. If you don't, just use 3. And let's double it and let's make it a little bit faster so you won't get bored. Okay, so we're doubling it all, putting it on. Be sure that the dots stay in the small circle, they do not touch the large circle. Okay, so we're done, we have the sentiments. Now to place it. So again, we're gonna make sure that our scoring lines don't show through the window or through the side of our wheel. And we're going to align the bottom part to the top one. Don't let the wheel go, keep it in place. And once you align those, give it a little squeeze once it's all aligned so the foam dots will stick. Okay, now it's spinning. Yay, you did it right. Now we're gonna fill our base with foam squares. And again, I'm going to double them this time so it will give me more space to be able to turn the wheel. And so what the idea of this is that we give enough space or not enough height to the wheel to turn. So let's double it. And also we're going to put it a little bit closer to the wheel. So when we're holding the card and trying to spin it, we're not going to squeeze the wheel and therefore it won't spin really well. So now that we have all our dots in place, we're going to put the top on. Finally, we align it with the bottom. And once we have it aligned, we give it a little squeeze so all the foam will stay attached. Now it's spinning, yay! And it shows through, it spins well. Great job. Okay, so now we're going to do the add-ons. So this is a little creature that I got from Cottage Cats. It's called the Forest Pickers, the Fox and the Raccoon set. And I also got a set for die cuts called the Tree Stump and Log for the pickers. So I added foam in the back for dimension, and now I'm putting it on. So now let's go ahead and put our chatting frame or chatting bubble. So that way, or that way. I like the other way better. Yeah, let's do it the other way. So I put some glue. Be sure not to put not too much glue on it so it won't get stuck on the words. So once you put it, be sure that you can still turn it. Okay. If you need to accommodate, accommodate, and I think that's done. Yay! So we got it. It's still spinning, and we have the bubble. Sorry about my doggy. He gets excited when we have guests. Anyway, so now I got a regular 5x5 by 4.25 inches card, and we're gonna attach or glue our base on top of our card. So I like the liquid um, adhesive. Makes, if I need to adjust it, I can adjust and then let it dry. And that's it. And then now we're gonna put on the little arrow. And again, I'm using my beautiful adhesive. And now we place it there. Be sure that it's stuck. But stay, don't get on my finger. Good. So now it is done. So now we open it and we have a clean greeting card. And then if you want, you can leave it blank. But since I used the full die to to make the fox. Now I made this one too. I just glue it, no foams, no dimension. We don't need that on there. And we're ready. So now we have a really cute greeting card. And now let's put both of them together. Let's compare. So this one, it's a little hard to turn. You see, it's skinny. I still can turn it, but it's hard. This one has more height, so it's easier. You see, I can put my finger. With this one, I need to kind of rub it to turn it. This one, I just can use my fingertip and do it. And I hope you like it. This is it. And I hope you have a magical and fabulous, amazing day. And thank you, many thanks. Thank you so much. And don't forget to like us on Facebook and also give us a subscription click in our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.